Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create the red hair trend video on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kinds of videos and turn on bell notification. So this is the trending video right now on TikTok and everyone is confused on how to get this filter as they cannot find it on TikTok. Well, the answer is that TikTok does not have this filter and you'll only find this in Instagram. So open your Instagram app. Now go to your story post. From the bottom, swipe all the way to the right to search for effects. On the search bar, search for Red Hair by Lucifer. There are two variations to it, part 1 and part 2. Check both of them out as they have a variety of red hairs for the females. Now save it to your Instagram camera. Create your video using the Instagram effect. Once you're done, then download it and post it on TikTok. As you can see, I've put the effect on Lady Gaga and she's got blonde hair, and from blonde it turns to red. Once you're done, then download it and post it on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to create the red hair trend video on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.